everybody, aloha. We're cooking typical Hawaiian style. Some lamb chops today. Tonight. Check it out. Check it out. And we got our salad over here. And, 2 minutes. Flip. Cover. Alright, the next step, we're gonna add some rosemary on top. We need the flavor, Some we call it flavor saver. Cook it typical Hawaiian style. Typical Hawaiian cooking. Don't go too close when it's hot, but you know, gotta make sure we get it in there. Gonna turn this down to 3 from high heat. Put the cover on it. You want to keep the flavor inside. Keep it cooking medium rare. So we time it, we watch. And yeah, cooking some lamb chops for you. Alright. Oh yeah, look at that. We're smoking, we're sizzling. This is going to be great. This is going to be good. Oh no. No worries, guys. That's our ukulele player over here. We're live in the Typical Hawaiian recording studio, cooking up good music and good food. This is gonna be great. Sizzling. Now let's check on the asparagus. We got the asparagus in here. The cedar wood. Just about ready. Leave it in there just for a little bit. Alright. Cooking typical Hawaiian style. Aloha. Alright, smoking some lamb chop.